Stranger Things box. Oh, forgot to use the magic key here to open this before we started. Netflix said they wanted their name all over this. It's on like every wrapper. Netflix. Oh, something fat. First pack. Oh, it's Steve. I got Steve right there. Well, Steve's better than Brennan or whatever his name is. The good evil doctor.
Green patch cards 1 and 309.
And it was numbered to 50. Huh. So it was better all the way around. Man, I hope we don't. We may need to open these from the back side to where we don't pull the autograph right off the bat. There's Joyce Byers. Oh, there's our autograph. Oof. Who is that? That's Connie Frazier. So is that somebody's mom or something? Ugh. Gross. Come on, Tops. Why you gotta give me that? Man. That one was bad. That one was bad. Had to tease us with a pretty decent patch.
Don't see any short prints either.
Yeah, usually in this kind of stuff, I don't think they'll do a lot of short prints. It's just all about the parallels, I guess. Which would be smart if they did. Add some value to the product.
You still might be able to get a finish like.
Oh, that'd be nice. Yeah, anything bonus. We definitely need a bonus with this box. I knew I should have stopped after the first one. Steve talked me into it. It's all Steve's fault. Going for a ride. We've already got that sticker. I've seen it. Very sad that season 3 didn't come out at Halloween. Mike is motivated on that sticker. It's looking like a bunch of base. I had to look and see who Connie Frazier. Catherine Dyer. Maybe she was in something else. Well, it's about here where we hit our parallel last time, I think. Oh, and then there were 4. Totally blame you for this, Steve. That's true. Yeah, that's true, you did. Alright, last chance for romance. Need something super special. Oh, big bowl of nothing. Quack, quack, quack.